Very good morning, 8th class students. Our main topic is exponents and powers. So from that today I am going to explain 4.1 exercise problems. Listen well. Simplify the following. What is the first question? 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 power 2 into 1 by 3. So first question, 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 power 2 into 1 by 3. So in this I am going to use two laws of exponents. That is nothing but a power 0 is equal to 1 and a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. So by using that 4 power 0 we can write as 1 and 5 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 5 into 5 power 2 into 1 by 3. So what is the LCM here? 5 is LCM. So 5 plus 1 into 5 power 2 means 25 by 3. 5 plus 1 6. 6 by 5 into 25 by 3. 5 ones are 5 5s are 3 ones are 3 2s are 5 2s are 10. Then after, what about the second question? 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. So here a power m into b power m into c power m. See here powers are equal. So what we exponents are equal. So we can write a b c whole power m. So by using that 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40 is equal 1 by 40 whole power minus 3. See, a by b whole power minus m we can write as b by a whole power plus m. So it is 40 by 1 whole power plus 3. So what is the final answer here? 40 power 3. Then what about the third question? 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. Here, what is the law of exponent? A power minus m we can write as 1 by a power m. By using that, 2 power minus 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So here, what is the LCM of all these? 12. 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12 into 3 by 4. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13. So 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. 3 1s are 3 4s are. So what is the answer here? 13 by 16. Then what about the fourth question? 3 power minus 2 by 3. 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. So here also a power minus m we can write as 1 by a power m. By using that 3 power minus 2 we can write as 1 by 3 into 3 power 2. 3 power 0 is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 into 9. What is the LCM here? 3. So 3 minus 1. So 1 by 9 is 27 into 3 minus 1 2 by 3 is equal, what is the answer? 2 by 81. 2 by 81 power minus 2 and whole power 2. So here a power m and whole power n we can write as a power mn. So by using that, 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 into 2 is nothing but 3 by 2 whole power minus 4. A by b whole power minus m is equal to b by a whole power m. By using that, 2 by 3 whole power 4 is nothing but answer 16 by 81. Then what about the sixth question here? Sixth question, 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power 0. What about the sixth question? 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power 0. See here, 1 plus, here what is the law of exponent? A power minus m we can write as 1 by a power m. It means 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Here the LCM is 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6 plus 6. So what is the answer here? 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 2 17. So the answer is 17 by we have seen from the column. What about the first question here? 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. So here I am going to apply the law of exponent. A power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. So here a power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. So by using this law of exponent, we can write 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. Here 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 2 by 3 whole power 8 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. See, if a power m is equal to a power n, then m is equal to n. It means 8 is equal to n minus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to n. N is equal to 10. So what is the value of the n? N is equal to 10. Then what about the second question here? Minus 3 whole power n plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 is equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. Here what is the basis? We can write a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here minus 3 whole power n plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. It means minus 3 whole power n plus 6 is equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. If a power m is equal to a power n, then we can say m is equal to n. It means n plus 6 is equal to minus 4. Then n is equal to minus 4 minus 6. N is equal to minus 10. Then after, what about the third question? Third question, 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 power 3. See here, 7 power 2n plus 1 by 49 we can write 7 power 2 is equal to 7 power 3. So I am doing cross multiplication. So by the cross multiplication we get 7 power 2n plus 1 is equal to 7 power 3 into 7 power 2. It means 7 power 2n plus 1 is equal to 7 power 3 plus 2. 7 power 2n plus 1 is equal to 7. A power m is equal to a power n. Then we can say m is equal to n. It means 2n plus 1 is equal to 5. 2n is equal to 5 minus 1. 2n is equal to 4. Then n is equal to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the value of the n? N is equal to, here is your homework. Simplify 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. 4 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided